Hardware rusting, paint peeling, and appearance lower the overall grade. Don't worry, a professional hardware paint construction plan can make it look new and solve the oil surface problem of various metal materials. The key to construction. The first step is surface treatment, which directly determines the life of the paint. Rust and degreasing. Rust and oil stains on the surface of the hardware must be completely removed. Any residue will cause the paint film to fall off. Phosphating treatment. A protective film is formed on the metal surface through the phosphating liquid, which can greatly enhance the adhesion and anti-rustability of the paint. This step is a watershed between professional and amateur. The second step, spraying construction. Uniformity is the key. Environmental requirements. Be sure to spray in a dust-free or low-dust environment to avoid dust falling on the paint surface affecting the final effect. Spraying method. Use a professional spray gun, then spray multiple layers. Maintain a uniform speed and a certain distance to ensure that the paint film is uniform, no sagging, and no orange peel. Step 3. High temperature baking. After spraying, the workpiece must be sent to the baking room for high temperature baking. Usually at a temperature of 120 C, 180 C, baking for 20 to 40 minutes. Note that different substrates need to use different baking temperatures and times. High temperature makes the paint molecules cross-linked and cure to form a dense and hard paint film. This is the real reason for the baking paint hardcore, wear resistance and corrosion resistance. After standard construction, you will get mirror-like high gloss, instant improvement in texture, the paint film is hard and wear resistant, and there is no fear of daily scratching. Excellent anti-corrosion and anti-rust, and the service life is greatly extended.